Open the battery cover and then load the 3AA alkaline batteries in order according to the polarity of the battery box. Load the aircraft battery into the aircraft battery compartment. Extend the arm of the unmanned aerial vehicle. Turn on the power of the aircraft. The lights of the aircraft began to flicker. Turn on the power of the remote control at this time. Start to enter the frequency synchronization mode. After the frequency synchronization was successful, the remote control made a beeping sound. The light of the drone remains on constantly. Pull the left and right joysticks or briefly press this button to correct the drone. Aircraft lights flashing when the correction. The correction is completed after the lights in. Insert the 4 sets of protective frames into the aircraft as shown in the figure. Push the left joystick upwards. Drone unlock. Push the left joystick upwards again and the drone takes off. Push the left joystick downward. Drone landing. Press this button briefly. The drone takes off with 1 click. Press this button briefly again. The drone lands with 1 click. Push the left joystick upwards and the drone rises. Push the left joystick downward and the drone descends. Push the left joystick to the left and the drone turns left. Push the left joystick to the right and the drone will turn right. Push the right joystick upwards and the drone moves forward. Push the right joystick downward and the drone retracts. Push the right joystick to the left and the drone will fly to the left. Push the right joystick to the right and the drone will fly to the right. Press this button briefly. Increase the angle of the drone's camera. Press this button briefly. Lower the angle of the drone's camera. For example, if the aircraft deviates to the rear, press the forward fine-tuning key as shown in the figure to adjust. Enable the aircraft to hover relatively stably. This aircraft has 3 flight speeds. Pressing this button can adjust the flight speed of the aircraft. The number of dripping sounds produced each time it is pressed corresponds to the corresponding speed gear. After briefly pressing this button, the remote control emits a continuous beeping sound, and quickly push the joystick. The aircraft rolls in the corresponding direction. Hold down this key for about 3 seconds to activate the headless mode. The remote control made a beeping sound. In headless mode, the body lights flicker. In headless mode, it keeps the drone traveling forward, backward, left, or right when you move the right joystick in those directions. Regardless of which way the front of the head-off drone points to, hold down this button again for about 3 seconds. The transmitter sends out 1 beeps, which indicates the drone exits the headless mode. Scan the QR code in the APP operation manual with your mobile phone to download the APP. After the APP is downloaded and installed, enter the phone settings options to connect to the Wi-Fi interface. Look for Wi-Fi X in the Wi-Fi list and click to connect. After a successful connection, open the APP. Click the Start icon to enter the real-time image transmission interface. Not every blade of the aircraft is exactly the same. Each blade is marked with A or B. When replacing the fan blades, use the provided screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the fan blades that need to be replaced. Find the corresponding new fan blades. Install the screws and make sure they are tightened. Remove the battery from the all-craft and then connect the battery plug to the socket on the USB charger for charging. The indicator light will be on in the battery charging process and will be off after charging saturation.